Bye. See you. Thanks. It's 9:13 and we are leaving Zostel now and we are heading towards Mahabaleshwar. You are exactly where you need to be. Bye.
You're leaving?
Yes. Okay, so I have left Zostel and now I'm heading towards Mahabaleshwar. They have gave me a small card in which there is a small drawing of this hostel, and at the flip side they have a thank you note. Thank you, hostel. So I got this bus from Panchgani to Mahabaleshwar. It costs me around 30 INR, Indian rupees. I'm having my first meal. I've ordered a coffee and a sandwich, club sandwich. I just finished half. But this meal is too heavier than I thought. It is not finishing only. But I need to finish it because I've ordered it. Janjira Killa. It's a Janjira fort. So if you don't know, mostly in Maharashtra, at the time of Diwali, people build forts, small mini forts, and it has become a part of our culture. Very nice temple. So I found out that the Sri Panchaganga Mandir is 6 kilometers away from here. This is just a smaller version of that mandir, which is in the vicinity. So I need to get transport to the Sri Panchaganga Mandir from nearby. So I've got a bike transport from Mahabaleshwar till the Panchaganga temple. The map shows the Panchaganga temple here in the city, but it is not in the Mahabaleshwar city. It is away from the city. It's almost 8 to 10 kilometers, I guess. Kiti kilometer hai, sir?
7 kilometers.
7.
7.
It's 7 kilometers from the main market. So you need to have a vehicle. Photography and videography was prohibited inside the temple, but it was a beautiful temple. This was Mahabaleshwar Mandir. Now we are heading towards Panchaganga Mandir. I came to know that this temple is 4,500 years old. The name of this temple is Panchaganga, so the temple of 5 rivers. See, try to understand, this is not a machine cut. This cut of the stone is made from hands. So we need to understand that how much efforts they need to take while making this temple. This is the Krishna river which meets the Bay of Bengal. कहाँ दाखवा काय करता.
ये एक हाथ में दो बॉल ये लेफ्ट है ये प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 पर है ये दो इसमें थोड़ा अलग अलग डिजाइन बना ए लट्टू सर झुकाओ हो गया ठीक है
कौन से स्कूल में हो?
9th
9th. और ये पार्ट टाइम अच्छा है. कुछ भी हो जाए स्कूल मत छोड़ना. बाय. Now let's head back to the bus station as we have a bus to catch. So this is the main market area of the Mahabaleshwar and all types of souvenirs you can buy from here. So I got this small pouch from this bag shop. They offer a lot of different bags. I always wanted a small pouch to keep my brush forms. So that is the reason. And the price is also fair. It's 50 rupees only. Let's explore some more. And come to this shop. It's called a Sanjay Handicraft. Oh, this is a leather bag shop. I already have a leather bag. What is this? LC's. Hello. It's a nice place.
Thank you.
How old it is?
It's 172 years old.
172 years old.
Yes, it's the fifth generation.
Really?
Yeah.
This is from the British,
From the British.
pre-colonial era.
Yeah. When the British discovered Mahabaleshwar
Huh.
and they discovered this hill station, the British. Mr. Malcolm.
Malcolm.
No.
So he was the
Who discovered Mahabaleshwar?
This Mahabaleshwar.
And set up this hill station. And then he invited people from different places to come and open whatever business, a bakery or this or that. So my ancestors came from Goa.
170 years old. Can you imagine?
1849.
So you might have served Angrez also.
Yes. That was quite recent. Like even my mother remembers that that the British used to come there to the club, Mahabaleshwar Club. They used to come on horseback here to the town.
Wow.
Stop here and then come into the shop.
You got some great heritage. Can I get this? A pineapple almond muffin?
You have that now?
I'll.
Packet.
Can you imagine? This place is 172 years old. These guys have served the British also. I mean, this is from the colonial era. I was not knowing this.
Chocolate chip
So I got this pineapple almond muffin for 70 rupees. Now this muffin that I got from the bakery is a real souvenir for me. I think the real motto of this trip has completed because I'm so much happy to see that place. You know, the vibes of that place sends you into the colonial era. किती रुपयाला मिळेल? हाँ?
ये 10 का है, ये 20 का है।
ये लेता ये बैकेट पॉकेट में रखने का. I don't know what happened, but the temperature dropped down suddenly, and it's afternoon. It's still afternoon. It's like 2:30, 3:30 in the afternoon, and the temperature dropped down suddenly. If you could see, the sun is not visible. The sun is not visible. So I think so. Because of the clouds, the temperature has dropped here, and this is a hill station. So that is the reason why I came back to the coffee shop which I visited this morning for a hot cup of coffee. My bus is at 5 o'clock and I have some time to kill. This is the muffin that I have got from the bakery, and after this I'm not going to vlog anymore. So tata, bye bye.